Stop using your own money to fund your business. What do I mean? In this video, I'll be talking about how you can run your business without using your own money. Matter of fact, funding your own business while making money on top of what you're making through your business. So stick around, hit the like button, and let's get right into it. So the way you fund your own business without using your own money is through business credit cards. Yes, with business credit cards, you're using the money of the bank that is lended out to you for you to be a good steward of. And I have some points here that you can use to make sure that you're not touching your own money so that you can be as profitable as possible. The first thing you'll want to do is use a business credit card that has cashback rewards. You want to make sure that the credit card has a good percentage, at least 1.5 to 2%, so that you can use the cash that you are rewarded to pocket and also reinvest back into your business. You would have to make sure that you're only using your business credit cards for your purchasing needs. Don't use debit cards and don't use cash if you are looking to make money without spending your own money. And how you would want to do this is make sure that you have the money in your credit card. Whatever you have to purchase, use that credit card. And how you would use this is to make sure that you actually have the money that you're going to use to purchase what you need, but you're going to use your credit card to purchase what you need. And then once you do that, you'll take the money that you already have and put it back on your credit card. And that is how you accrue reward points and collect cash that way. Always, always, always make sure that you are zeroing your balance when you are implementing this strategy. Do not let a balance roll over into the next statement. If you do that, you'll dig yourself into a hole, which can be hard to get out of and slow you down at the same time. So that is the strategy of not using your own money to make money. If this was interesting to you, if this was helpful for you, definitely hit the like button. Definitely leave me a comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless.